We're back here at Two-Mile-Borris, a lovely sunny day, and behind me here you can start to see the first of the ICF houses, which are just about completed now at a 4-month stage. And as we move along here, you can just see how the development is phasing, with houses under partial construction and all the way back to the very beginning, just being poured fresh ICF construction with no roof. Today we're going to show you some of the roof construction detailing around installing the prefabricated trusses. We're also going to show you some of the installation of the interior plasterboard linings and the fireproof details around the ceilings on the ground floor. So the first step in the process is to install this sole plate around the roof. This timber piece is bolted into the concrete, and then a roof truss is installed so that the ICF can be cut, and then the concrete can be laid so that the template forms the angles of the roof. This makes it a lot easier when the remainder of the trusses are inserted across the roof. As you can see here, there's a much larger section here, and what's quite amazing here is that this is the span of the roof, and we can just see it's almost just over 4 inches or 100 millimeters on the bottom there, and it's the power of a truss and the triangulation forms which create the ability to span such distances. This is approximately 10 meters in span. This roof is now ready, and as you can see, the lateral trusses are installed here, and these will be strapped back into the roof to stabilize the roof on extremely windy days. These are the sill installations. As you can see, there's a gap left behind the sill which will be filled with insulation. The window will sit on this position, recessed into the ICF construction. The sill is notched out around with the DPM installed to ensure any water ingress can find its way to the outside. As you can see here, the entire building is scaffolded right around the perimeter of the building, and this is a part of providing the safety requirements in Ireland for safe access in the workplace. And with scaffolding, it's installed by a certified scaffolding contractor, and each week it is inspected here and certified to be safe, and the only people who can alter the scaffolding is the scaffolding company. Here we have the render system, and as you can see, plastic beads are installed on all edges, around windows and on the inside reveal. This is the fixing of the angles. Afterwards, you can see above there, the yellow fabric is installed, and the cement render applied over it. As the construction of these houses is developing nicely now, please stay tuned, and I'll show you the buildings as they're completed internally.